Hey guys, good morning. Today in this class we are going to solve this nice algebra Olympiad question. Okay. So our question is x power 4 plus x square equal to 20. Okay. And we need to find out the value of x. Okay. So we have to find out the value of x. Okay. Let's start. So first of all I'll write what is given. Given is x power 4 plus x square equal to 20. This is what given is. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just taking this constant to left hand side, then it becomes x power 4 plus x square minus 20 equal to 0. Okay, just look at here x power 4 plus x square minus 20 is there. So what I'm going to do, just see, x power 4 plus x square minus 20 can be written as 16 plus 4. Okay, so I'm writing 20 as 16 plus 4. Okay, then what happened here, x power 4, okay, plus x square minus 16 minus 4 equal to 0. Next, x power 4, I am taking minus 16 here, plus x square, this minus 4 equal to 0. Can we write like this? Yes, of course. Okay, so next, x power 4 minus 16, okay, plus x square minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, why I have written this 20 as 16 plus 4? This is what I want to get here. Okay, so x power 4 and 16 16 is though, this 16 can be written as 4 square. Okay, so then here x square minus 4 equal to 0. So just look at here, this is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b, okay, and a minus b. So according to this formula we are going to split here, but here a is equal to x square and b is equal to 4. Don't get confused here. Okay, so let me write again here. I just wanted to clear it. X square whole square minus, okay, 4 square plus x square minus 4 equal to 0. Now you get understand. So now it's clear for you. So this is A and this is B. So according to this formula, what is x square plus 4 into x square minus 4? Here plus x square minus 4 equal to 0. So here what is the common? So x power 4 and x square minus 4 and x square minus 4 is common. That's why I am taking it out. X square minus 4 of x square plus 4, okay, plus 1 equal to 0. Then x square minus 4 of here x square plus 4 plus 1 is 5 equal to 0. So now it's clear for us. We are getting two solutions here. So first one is x square minus 4 equal to 0. Then x square plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so and again here this is in the form of, just look at here, x square minus 2 square. Can we write 4 as 2 square? Yes, of course. Then equal to, then we know the formula again. So a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. According to this formula we are going to split this one. Then it becomes x plus 2, okay, and x minus 2 equal to 0. Here we are getting two values for x. Okay, x plus 2 equal to 0. Then x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 2 and x equal to plus 2. So, these two are the values of x here. So, coming to this, this can be written as, so look at here, x square, this 5 I am sending to right hand side, then it takes minus 5. Okay, then x equal to, here minus is all, so square root of minus 5, and we know that under root 1 value is, under root minus 1 value is I, we know that. Okay, so according to this formula we are going to write this. Okay, sorry, this is plus or minus, so plus or minus I root. Okay, here also we are getting two values, therefore x equal to I root 5, which is the third value, and again x equal to minus I root 5. So this is the fourth value. So these are the four values we get for x, but these two are the complex solutions of x. Okay, so let us check whether these values are correct or not. Okay, just check it. Okay, let's check that values. Let's check. Okay, so first value is x equal to, so first value we get x equal to minus 2. Okay, x equal to minus 2. So our equation is x power 4 plus x square equal to 20. Here in the place of x we have to put minus 2. Minus 2 power 4 plus minus 2 power square equal to 20. We all know that negative to the power positive, negative to the power even number is always positive. Okay, therefore here what we get, so we all know that negative to the power even number is always positive. Means here 2 power 4 will come here, plus already here minus of minus 2 to the power 2 is there. So 2 square equal to 20. We know that 2 power 4 is 16 and 2 square is 4 equal to 20. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. This value is correct. Okay, so let's check the second value, x equal to 2. Okay, so x power 4 plus x square equal to 20. So in the place of x we have to put 2, 2 to the power 4 plus 2 power square equal to 20, means 16 plus 4 equal to 20, 20 equal to 20. This is also correct one. Let's check the complex values. So complex values we get x equal to minus I root 5. Okay, this is what we get, x equal to minus I root 5. So let's check this part. So our question is x power 4 plus x square equal to 20. Here in the place of x we have to put minus I square root of 5 whole power 4 plus minus I square root of 5 whole square equal to 20. Okay, this is very important, just look at carefully here. Here x power 4, here minus is there, so minus to the power even power is always positive, right? So I, here I'll write it again. So I power, here power is 4, that's why I power 4, then here root 5 to the power 4. Okay, plus here minus is there and power is even, so it will be even only. So I square then root 5 whole square equal to 20. Here I power 4, we know that I equal to square root of minus 1. Okay, so then I square equal to minus 1. Okay, I square equal to minus 1. So here I power 4 is there. Then I power 4 equal to minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 equal to plus 1. So this is plus 1. Okay, then multiplied by here 5. Look at here, here root 5 to the power 4. Here 2 to get cancelled, then the remaining will be 5 square, that is 25 multiplied by 25. Okay, plus here minus I square value is minus 1, and here square and square root get cancelled, then 5 will come. Okay, 20. Then 1 into 25 is 25 minus, see, plus into minus, minus 5 ones 5 equal to 20. Therefore 20 equal to 20. This is also correct one. So last value is x equal to I root 5, positive value. So x power 4 plus x square equal to 20. That equal to, in the place of x we have to put I root 5 whole power 4 plus I root 5 square equal to 20. So here positive values is there. I power 4 we know positive. So 1 into here root and square get cancelled. Then 5 square means 25 plus here I square means minus 1. I square is minus 1. Okay, here square and square root get cancelled. Then the value will be 5 equal to 20. That implies 20 minus 5, sorry, 25 minus 5 equal to 20. Therefore 20 equal to 20. So this is also satisfied. So these four values are correct for this equations. Therefore x equal to x1 equal to 2, x2 equal to minus 2, x3 equal to I root 5 and x power 4 equal to minus I root 5 are the values of x. So I hope guys you all understood this class well. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do share with your friends too. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.